Are we live? Oh, yes. Oh, hello. Hello. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Top story for today: an upcoming tropical disturbance coming in the northwest of Guam. We have Albert here to show us the weather for today and the next few weeks.
This is Albert, the one with the mustache. This is our wonderful island of Guam. You see right here. And this is the hurricane going 130 miles per hour coming down from the northwest of Guam. And it's coming in fast, folks. So you see this very repetitive image. Is it a GIF? Is it a GIF? We'll never know. And you gotta be prepared.
Thank you, Albert. We have tips and ideas to share with you to prepare for the storm. Fully charge your phones and other devices for emergency calls. Buy candles and flashlights, and don't forget to buy batteries. Try getting a hold of a first aid kit, therefore if anyone gets injured, you can treat them. Buy canned goods. It's better than food that you have to refrigerate because a fire outage can happen. Next, we have Abigail and her tips on how to cook canned goods and taste like a 5-star restaurant.
I'm sorry, they're new here. Hi, I'm Abigail, the other one with a mustache, except I'm not a man. Thank you for tuning in to my very legit cooking program in this very legit news station. Today we'll be making a very simple recipe, spam onigiri. Alright, so you're living on the island of Guam. You got the spam, you got the rice. All you need is the nori, the seasoning, the vinegar, and you're good to go. Okay? Okay. Wash your hands with soap and water for 15 to 20 seconds. 3, 4, 5. This is gonna be done in a few simple steps, alright? Season the rice. Wet. Lubricate. Shape the rice balls. The spam. Put more rice. Perfect triangle. Lay your baby down like so, and you tuck it in a snug little blanket. Look at the cute little baby. Look at it. Bask in its beauty. Take it all in. Before we commence, it's goodbye. Not bad. Not bad at all.